How to buy a Asebbo lunch bag online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can purchase a lunch bag from Asebbo. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website and this is how it looks like, right? It's pretty simple, it's easy to use. You just come over to the website and you just shop for the bag that you want, right? They've got men, women, all sorts of options. They've even got insulated lunch bags and insulated lunch bag, or actually reusable lunch bag, sorry. And then you can click on whichever one you want, right? Let's go to men's location, and here you've got all these different ones. So this is the insulated wax canvas lunch bag for men, and this is their reusable lunch bag for men, which is, I think, is pretty cool. I don't understand the reusable option. I thought they were both reusable, or is this disposable? I'm not sure. But yeah, you just come over to the product and then you just select the product, right? So this is the one that we want. Then you can just simply select the color and then just simply click on add now, buy with, or click on more payment options. And make sure to check the link in the description below for some discount codes as well. You'll find a link where you can go ahead and purchase these bags. So here you can see I have to go ahead and input my discount code over here. So make sure you check the link for the discount codes and promo codes. Just paste them over here. You'll get a heavy discount and save quite a lot of money. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.